Hi students, let's study English grammar lesson number 4.3 nouns case. So let me teach you the definition of case. A case is the relationship of a noun with another word. And there are three types of cases: subjective case, objective case and possessive case. Subjective case means when we use a noun as the subject of a verb, it is in subjective case. Examples: Mary drew a picture. Who drew a picture? Who drew a picture? Then the river flows through plains. The children are playing. The cow eats grass. Who eats grass? So this is how we have to find out the subjective case. Then the second one is objective case. When a noun is placed as the object of a verb, it is an objective case. Example: Vijay eats ice cream. Who or what is who eats ice cream? Or Vijay eats what? What did Vijay eat? What did Vijay eat? Vijay ate an ice cream. Then the staff elected Mary as the member of board. The staff elected whom? Mary. So this is in objective case. Then the third one is more important, that is possessive case. Possessive case. When a noun shows possession or ownership, it is in possessive case. When a noun shows possession or ownership, it is in possessive case. For example, Ram's bag is missing. Whose bag is missing? He stepped on the snake's tail. On whose tail did he step? Then possession is shown by the use of an apostrophe. Then there are 6 rules to be learned. Number 1, use apostrophe s with singular form. Singular noun. Singular noun. See? For example, the king's palace. The king's palace. King, after king we have to place the apostrophe mark. Ravi's kite. After Ravi we have to place the apostrophe mark. Then the second rule is use just an apostrophe with plural nouns ending with s. Plural noun ending with s, we have to use the apostrophe after s. Example, soldiers. Plural word ended with s. So the apostrophe mark should be placed after the word. Then girls hostel. Girls. Girls hostel. After, say, plural word, so after s you have to place the apostrophe. Third one, for plurals that do not end with s, we use apostrophe s. That men, men's, men's. After men, place the apostrophe and write it. Children's toys, men's shop, children's toys, etc. We do not use apostrophe with the non-living things. With the non-living things, there is no need of using apostrophe mark. Number 5, apostrophe is used with abstract nouns which have been personified, that is described as living persons. Abstract nouns, when it is personified as living persons, we have to use the apostrophe. For example, conscience sake, conscience, consciences, conscience. Duty is called, duty apostrophe s. When it is personified, when it is qualified as or personified as living beings, we have to use the apostrophe. Then apostrophe is also used with the nouns denoting time, space, weight. Example, a day's journey, a week's stay, etc. Then comes the exercise part. It's a small lesson. Only you have to pay attention where to use apostrophe, how to use apostrophe. Alright. So there is an exercise. Rewrite the following sentences using the possessive case. Using the possessive case. Example, the belongings of the sailors were damaged. The belongings of the sailors were damaged. The sailors, belongings of the sailors. So we have to place apostrophe after sailors. The word is given here, you can see sailors. It's a plural word, so you have to place the apostrophe here after s. It is used as a plural word. Then the books of the children were stolen. The children's books were stolen. The children's books were stolen. Children, after children, place an apostrophe mark. The children's books were stolen. Then third is, the pen of John is better than that of Ravi. John's pen is better than Ravi's. John's pen. John, you know, it's a singular noun. So apostrophe is placed after the word John, and Ravi, it's also a singular noun, that's also placed after Ravi. Then the trunk of the elephant was hurt. The elephant's trunk was hurt. Elephant, after elephant, place an apostrophe mark. Then the soil is the top layer of the crust of the earth. The top layer of the earth's crust is soil, earth. There the important word is earth. After earth, place an apostrophe and write s. Make it apostrophe s. Then the den of the lion was used by robbers. The lion's den was used by robbers. Lion, after lion, apostrophe s. Lions. Then the conference of the headmasters was held. A headmaster's conference was held. Headmasters, it's a plural word. So after headmasters, you have to place the apostrophe. So I will show you here in words, word by word. Number 1, sailors. S-A-I-L-O-R-S. After S, place apostrophe. Then the second one, we have 2 words, that is John's, then Ravi's. John's, Ravi's. After this, both are singular nouns. So we have to place after the word apostrophe. Third one is, second one is children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children, after that we have to place apostrophe. Third is John's. And fourth one is, that is elephants. After the word elephant, we have to place the apostrophe, elephants. Then the fifth one is earth, E-A-R-T-H. After earth, place apostrophe. So up to 5 I will show you here the words. You see, sailors. After the word, place the apostrophe, sailors. Then children, after children, place the apostrophe, children's. Then John's and Ravi's. You can see the words here. Then elephants, then earths. I have written here, you can just have a view of it. Then rest of the exercise, do it yourself. I will be giving you the PDF. So here we have completed the syllabus of quarterly examination of English grammar. And you will be having comprehension and lecture. I had sent the syllabus today. Just to go through it, and any confusion, you send a message to me. Thank you, dear students. Bye.